Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a static Instagram Reels or TikTok video using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and first thing first, I'm going to create a design. I'm going to click on create a design and I'm going to choose the ratio. I'm going to use this mobile video because this ratio will be suitable to create Instagram Reel or TikTok video. I'm going to tap on that and then I'm going to search for a static template. We can go to the search menu right here and search for a static Reels. Okay, and then you can choose the template that you like. And I'm just going to choose, wait guys, I'm still searching for the template. Okay, for example, I'm going to use the template. I'm going to add it to my design and I'm going to replace the video in this template with my video. I'm just going to delete it, delete the video, and I'm going to go to the upload, and you can upload your video to the Canva. And here, as you can see guys, I have uploaded my video and I'm going to add it to the template. And as you can see that now my video has been added to the template and this is the result. You can also modify the template if you want. You can modify the tags and the animation. It's up to you. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a static Instagram Reel or TikTok video using Canva. I hope the tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.